Composite viscera of duodenum, pancreas and spleen. Composite viscera of duodenum, pancreas and spleen. How to hold the duodenum within the C-shaped concavity of duodenum occupies the head of the pancreas and the tail of the pancreas attached with the hilum of the spleen. So the spleen will be on the left side and slightly upper than the duodenum and the head of the pancreas. Now the duodenum is the first part of duodenum, horizontal part, the second part of duodenum, third part of duodenum and the fourth part. Now, the first total length of the duodenum is 25 cm, in which first part is 5 cm in length, second part, the vertical part, is 7.5 cm, third part is the longest part, 10 cm in length, and the fourth part is 2.5 cm. Now the pancreas, how to know the surfaces of the pancreas. The pancreas is triangular in cross section. The body of the pancreas is triangular in cross section. So it has an superior border, and in anterior border and one posterior border. And surfaces, anterior surface between superior border and anterior border, inferior surface between the posterior border, between posterior border and anterior border, inferior surface, and superior surface between posterior border and superior border, superior surface. Along the superior border of pancreas, the tortuous splenic artery passes into the hilum of the spleen. Along the anterior surface of the pancreas, the lesser sac lies here, and above which the body of the stomach lies. Along the posterior surface, the splenic vein passes.